Hey, my people. Alao Malaika don finally explain the reason why he no go fit ever marry Sikiratu Sindondo. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of una when I don't know Alao Malaika na Yoruba musician will be saying they sing Fuji. And those of una when I don't know Sikiratu Sindodo na Yoruba actress will be say she done the art for a long time. So finally, Alao Malaika don't come out, come talk, say the reason why he no go fit marry Sikiratu Sindodo. Say a lot of people they talk say in the way Sikiratu Sindodo time, say Sikiratu Sindodo why they never see marry, say they only see their two for event together. Say if they perform, Sikiratu they come. Say people come to say why you no kukuba marry Sikiratu? Say Sikiratu they hold those make them do make him marry Sikiratu. He come to say he no go fit deceive him fans. Say time don reach, be say he go finally come talk and may just let everybody know say he no go fit marry Sikiratu Sindodo. Say if he make friend with them, when we say they go there together, they go laugh, come out together, but he no go fit marry am for house because Sikiratu don't do wetin be say he no go fit forgive Sikiratu Sindodo because when he no get anything, when we say the time when he and Sikiratu dey date, Sikiratu leave her go marry another person, and Sikiratu commonalize and say he no go fit make am. Say that reason he no go fit marry Sikiratu. He say although Sikiratu that marriage done over, when we say Sikiratu, the person wey Sikiratu go marry because of money, that marriage done over. But after the marriage over, Sikiratu come back say make them marry together. Say but he no go fit marry Sikiratu again because when he no get anything, Sikiratu no dey there. Now when he come get, now Sikiratu call back. He know say Sikiratu na in long time relationship, but Sikiratu abandon am, go marry, born for there, and the marriage no come work again before Sikiratu come back again. Say make the day. He say he no dey waste Sikiratu time. Say na Sikiratu na dey waste his own time. Say because and again, if he be person wey be say he wants to consider Sikiratu, say make him marry am. He get his own wife for house, so be say that they respect and they do everything. He say Sikira no be that kind of woman wey be say he get respect for him. And again, Sikira don't date other people for us, and when we say don't hear the rumor and he don't see them together. Now when they talk say make him marry that kind of person. Say if he be on her brother, now go agree make him marry and say make people know they tell and say in the way Sikira time again, make they do make them marry. When they go marry, say now also picture now they take together. Say now so out now that they go together, party now that they go together. Not be saying the first time to come, say now in the like to come. Say if when they celebrate birthday, they like to celebrate them. Say he no saying don't get wife first, and he no go fee. Not be saying in a Muslim man, not be saying no fee marry like 4-5 wife. He say he get the money if you want to take care of 4-5 wives. Say he get the money, he go fee take care of 4-5 wives. But Sikira no deserve him. But he not me say as they not be say he no marry for us. No me say okay, say they're not going to talk together. Say Sikira, he go fit help Sikira because if he need the help. But say to come marry and for us, me they come go they do wedding together. I mean they come they do nikai together. He no go fit do that one because Sikira to no deserve him. Because when you use the hand, he say the time will be saying no get anything beg Sikira, say things go still good. Say Sikira no say in a artist where they try to grow that time or before him blow, before they come know I'm where now. Say in the tell us say things go still good. May he deal with him, but he still leave him. He go marry another person upon saying they cannot be saying a violent man. In they always go on your own gently, they care about her, but you don't know the value of the love we get. But as he can't go marry another person, we don't go there. Now he can't know say Malaika love her, Malaika na person. As they no come date together, a lot of people they thought say Sikira to leave your ex-husband because of him. He said no, not be because of him, Sikira to leave the ex-husband, because he no find peace and happiness for them. So Sikira to call later come back, say he find peace and happiness. Like he come to say, he don't too late, he don't born for them, he don't do a lot of things for them. And people don't know say he don't marry. Say he no go fit take you back because he a Muslim man. If as we be say okay, as no date together, say okay, na only date you go, they say, no be say you marry. okay, then it's okay. But now after you don still comot for that marriage, you still get person wey be say Sikira to see dey date, and people dey come after and say like e dey waste the time. You know dey waste the time. If Sikira to wan marry, you don give her go ahead make e marry, but dem go still dey make friends together. Even though they sometimes they dey inside the same movie together, e no mean dem go see for the party. E no be say if you see her dey dance for party, say he no go spread her money, or if he dey perform for party now, see the caller say make him go see. He dey see dey praise Sikira to for that party. That one no mean anything to her. He say, but to come marry Sikira, he go add o. He go add o. So my people, wetin me get to talk for this issue be say, me I understand Alao Malaika well because me I be Alao Malaika fans. I like him music well. Alao Malaika dey right. Person wey abandon you when you say you no get anything. How fans go dey push and say may go marry Sikira, say e dey waste Sikira to Sinodo time. E no dey waste any time. After Sikira to Sinodo leave the husband, Sikira to Sinodo don still date another person up and down. Like they still say Sikira to Sinodo and Ikechi dey fight over man. Like that kind of person that won't be Alao Malaika go back. Like what destroy Alao Malaika house? I no be say Alao Malaika no fit marry 5 wife or 4 wife. He get the money to do it. But person wey run leave you where you no get, he can't come back where you get. Like that kind of thing, e no make sense now. E no make sense. I know say I be woman. You understand me? But that will not be say if I see bad thing, make I no talk am. If I see good thing, I go see talk am. You know, I know say e good make person dey forgive. But what about you can see Mariam and things no can still go well? You no go still run leave her tomorrow. Make people wey be say they push Malaika say make he go marry am, because Malaika say in dey peaceful for him home, in dey get blessed marriage, say God bless am, wahala no dey. Tomorrow he marry am, another wahala come dey dey. And fans, me na stop to dey push Alao Malaika, say me na stop to dey push Alao Malaika go marry Sikira to Sidodo, make for leave Nkechi boyfriend for am, make Nkechi for say am marry. No, this man say if he wan marry 3-4 wife, he go fit. But Sikira to Sinodo no deserve am. He no want. Say, but they feel be friends, you know, laugh together, celebrate each other together. But anything that got to do with marriage, you know, go work. Because say rumor come they go say a lot of people they talk say now so you don't pregnant Sikira to Sidodo, now so you don't do this one just to take break it home. He said, but my people, me I no support make it collect Sikira to Sinodo back, see me they marry you. Because nobody knows tomorrow. Person will not there with you when you no get anything. And now when you can't get something and you won't come back, it don't make sense. So my people, may not let me know what you think for the comment section. And may not forget to subscribe if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that I not go miss any celebrity gist way I they upload. May not take care till I come on away next time. On a bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.